How to refund on all China buys. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to refund on all China buy. So first you have to log into your account, go to Allchinabuy website and log into your account with your username and password. Now go to your orders. Once logged in, navigate to the My Orders or Order History section. Okay, so this is where you will see a list of all your current and past orders. Number 3, select the order for refund. Find the order that you want to request a refund for. Make sure that the order is eligible for refund according to Allchinabuy's refund policy. Example, damaged, wrong item, or not as described. Number 4, start the refund process. Once you've selected the order, look for request a refund or return refund button. If you can't find this option, you may need to contact their customer support directly. You could also add reason for refund. You will be asked to provide a reason for the refund, so be ready to explain why you are requesting. Number 5, follow return instructions. So some refunds might require to return the product before getting your money back. If this is the case, Allchinabuy will provide instructions on how to return the product, including the return shipping address and whether you need to cover return shipping costs. 6, wait for refund approval. Once submit the request or refund request, Allchinabuy's customer service will review it. If they approve the refund, they will process it within the platform's refund time frame. If approved, the refund will typically be processed via the original payment method like PayPal or credit card. Number 7, check the refund confirmation. If you encounter any issue or delays with the refund process, contact Allchinabuy's customer support team. Be sure to provide details like your order, a number, the item in the question, and the reason for your refund request. Important notes: ensure your item meets Allchinabuy's refund policy, and some refunds may require to return the product, and you may be responsible for shipping costs unless otherwise specified. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.